Hello, and welcome to the first video in our course on starting a successful 3D printing business. My name is Money Factory, and I'll be your guide on this exciting journey. Over the next 30 videos, we're going to cover everything you need to know to launch and grow a thriving 3D printing venture. Whether you're brand new to 3D printing or already have some experience, this comprehensive course will provide you with the knowledge and tools to turn your 3D printing dreams into reality. So, what can you expect to learn in this course? We'll start by covering the basics of 3D printing, how it works, the key benefits, and how the technology has evolved over the years. Then we'll dive into the different types of 3D printers and help you determine which one is the best fit for your business needs. From there, we'll explore the world of 3D printing materials, essential software, and the process of creating your first 3D model. You'll even learn how to leverage 3D scanning to bring physical objects into the digital realm. As we progress, the course will shift its focus to the business building side of things. We'll cover prototyping, small batch production, quality control, cost analysis, and how to create a solid business plan. You'll also learn proven marketing strategies, find the right sales channels, and discover tips for providing excellent customer service. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. We have so much valuable information to share with you over the coming weeks and months. By the end of this course, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of the 3D printing industry and the tools you need to launch your own successful 3D printing business. Now, before we get started, I want to encourage you to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. That way, you'll be the first to know when new videos in this course are released. Trust me, you won't want to miss a single lesson. Are you ready to take your 3D printing dreams to new heights? Then let's dive in and get started. I look forward to sharing this incredible journey with you.